viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty Okene. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you basic tips or helpful tips that will enable you study well and score high in your forthcoming Jamb. Jamb is by the corner, so these tips will help you study well and score higher in your exams. Now the first thing you need to do is what? You prepare early. They said the early bird catches the worm. Okay, a stitch in time saves nine. So you need to start preparing early. Start preparing early. The second point is this: you must get your Jamb syllabus, because in your Jamb syllabus, that is where the topics and the objective of that topic is allocated to you. Okay, so you must get your Jamb syllabus. Then the third one is this: you must get Jamb recommended textbooks. Okay, Jamb recommended certain textbooks, okay, as concerning different subjects. So you ensure you get the textbooks and start preparing with them. Okay, so with these textbooks, the textbooks also help you to identify questions. You know, when you see questions, you can identify the particular question where it's coming from. For instance, if a question on mitochondria or organelles are being asked, for instance, in biology, you should know that this question is coming from where? Cell biology. Okay, or if a question on talking about atomic number and mass number comes to you in chemistry, it means what? That question is coming from atomic structure of what? Element. Okay, so this is what the Jamb syllabus helps to do, to help you what? Identify each question. And also the next thing you need to do is to what? Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get updated what? Information. Okay, so the next point is this: after subscribing to my channel, okay, so the next point is this: for those writing mathematics and physics, you need to stop. In fact, just this is what I want you to do: do not practice with scientific calculator, because on that day of the exam you will not be expected to go in with any scientific calculator. Okay, just stop practicing with what? Scientific calculator. Okay, and also there are some formulas, or some areas in mathematics as trigonometric ratios that you need to understand, of special angles. For instance, angle 30, 60, 45 and 90. Okay, you should know these ratios, okay, now to enable you to solve very well. And the next point is this: avoid cramming. Do not cram. You need to read to understand. This is what students should understand. You must read, study to understand a particular topic. Don't go in and cram, because if you're going in there to cram, I don't know what will be the next phase of, I don't know what it's going to be. Okay, so after that, what do? You need to what? Stop cramming. Do not cram. Read to what? Understand. So what's the next point? The next point is this: you need to what? Ensure you undergo a CBT test. That's, for instance, you can get apps, okay, that will enable you ensure that you align yourself like you are in the exam hall. Practice with CBT, okay, so you can time yourself. Probably you're given 2 hours to answer the question in German. You are just there because you don't know what to do. Okay, so what you need to do is what? You need to what? Align yourself with this time, this estimated time. That's 2 hours, and see how you can attempt those questions. And the next point is this: you can try out tools. There are tools out there that can enable you answer questions as well. For instance, you can use Google, you can use AI tools, example ChatGPT. Okay, although they're not 100% correct, they can be 99.9% correct. Okay, but still you can still verify your answers with your textbook. Okay, and the next point is this: you attend good tutorials, good learning centers where you'll be brushed. Okay, where you have good teachers that will also help you, give you an insight of whatever you're expecting in your exam. And the next point is this: let me just take a deep breath. You need to rest. You need to rest. You need to rest. Rest. Okay, have quality time to rest. And the last point is this: you need to pray. You know, some persons in the day of your exams, their system actually turns off. So system does not trip off on the day of your exam, because it's not by power though, but the grace of God is there for you. Okay, I wish you, when your forthcoming exams, with this practice step, I guarantee you what? A high score in your Jamb. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe, share and like. Bye for now. Bye.